Welcome to This Explainer. The AI landscape has shifted dramatically lately. If you've just been on autopilot with your AI subscription, you really need to pay attention right now. We're diving deep into the ultimate showdown between 2026's top assistants to find out exactly where you should be investing your time and your money. So which AI is actually the smartest in 2026? It's a huge question, right? Every single day, millions of us are faced with a choice. Should you rely on ChatGPT, lock yourself into Google Gemini, or is Claude the hidden champion you've completely overlooked? Today, we're going to settle this by comparing real-world use cases. You probably know the major players by now. We've got ChatGPT, the reigning pop culture king from OpenAI. Then there's Gemini, Google's embedded powerhouse. And finally, Claude by Anthropic, the so-called hidden champion that's honestly been terrifying the other two with its rapid, massive updates. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our tournament bracket for today. We'll briefly meet the titans and then battle them out in writing and business, coding and research, creativity and students. After that, we'll look at the best free AI and finally deliver our final verdict. All right, part 1, meet the titans. Let's see who the contenders actually are. Let's establish exactly what makes these models unique at a baseline level, starting with Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI assistant, and its absolute superpower is integration. Imagine, for a second, seamlessly pulling data from a massive Google Drive spreadsheet directly into a Gmail draft, all without ever changing tabs. It's like magic. If you're already deeply entrenched in the Google ecosystem, well, Gemini is designed to be the ultimate frictionless tool for you. Moving on to round 2, writing and business. Welcome to the professional arena. Look, if your daily work involves drafting emails, writing blogs, or structuring heavy legal documents, the actual quality and tone of that writing matters immensely. Claude is widely known for producing incredibly natural, human-like writing. It actively avoids that cliché robot speak, I'm talking about overusing words like delve, and it boasts a massive context window that handles complex, long documents beautifully. Now, ChatGPT is highly versatile, sure, and it's a total powerhouse for brainstorming, but it often requires a lot more prompting to make it sound completely natural. So when you need a document that you can actually send straight to your boss with zero editing, Claude absolutely takes the crown here. Its human-like tone and its ability to just digest and generate long-form content give it the definitive edge in the professional business arena. Next up, round 3, coding and research. This is the technical battleground. For developers, programmers, and researchers out there, a great AI is quite literally a tool that saves hours of painstaking work. ChatGPT absolutely excels at writing Python scripts, generating full web apps, and holding complex structural logic together. Now, Gemini has improved its search-backed retrievals significantly, which is great for organizing real-time information, but it honestly trails a bit in hardcore syntax logic. Claude is actually incredibly strong here too, especially if you're reviewing massive existing code bases. But ChatGPT's native environment is basically custom-built for developers. Because of that sheer technical dominance and super reliable structural output, the heavyweight champion remains ChatGPT. It is for sure the absolute favorite for developers who need to build out applications or structure really complex research topics entirely from scratch. Round 4, creativity and students. The idea generator. Now, what's really interesting about this specific matchup is how these models handle things like step-by-step guidance, essay writing, or even YouTube scripts and marketing campaigns. Whether you're plotting out thumbnail ideas or desperately trying to finish an essay at 2 a.m., you need an engine that's built for imagination. Gemini is great here because it integrates straight into Google Classroom, and Claude is phenomenal if you need a beautifully written essay. But when it comes to raw, creative brainstorming and generating those fresh, out-of-the-box ideas, that winner is, hands down, ChatGPT. Its conversational nuances, those advanced voice features, and its unmatched ability to act as a tireless brainstorming partner just give it the edge. It easily takes the crown for creative work, for students, and for step-by-step tutoring. Moving on to round 5, the best free AI. Let's talk about budget constraints. Not everyone wants to pay $20 or more a month for a premium subscription, right? Gemini offers an incredibly robust free tier right out of the box. Meanwhile, ChatGPT's free version is definitely useful, but it will lock you out of its smartest models once you hit their dynamic rate limits. And Claude's free usage? Well, it's generally much more heavily restricted, cutting you off even faster when you're working on large, complex tasks. So, if you want next-gen AI without opening your wallet, Gemini is your undisputed winner here. It gives you incredible access to powerful tools tied right into your daily Google workflow, and the best part? The whole shebang is entirely for free. Finally, we've reached Section 6, the final verdict, choosing your champion. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly where everything stands right now. Let's rapidly walk through this definitive scorecard. For writing, Claude took the win. For coding, it was ChatGPT. Research, ChatGPT again. For students, ChatGPT provided the best guidance. In business and professional documents, Claude claimed the prize. For creativity and fresh ideas, ChatGPT shone brightest. And finally, for the absolute best free version, Gemini stood victorious. So let me act as your ultimate AI matchmaker here. If you want the absolute best all-around AI assistant that pretty much dominates across multiple categories, ChatGPT is your winner. If your main focus is professional writing, creating polished emails, and analyzing long documents, Claude is absolutely your best choice. And if you just want a powerful, free AI that seamlessly integrates with the Google services you already use every day, Gemini is an excellent option. Take a second and really look at the tasks you do every single day. I mean, are you paying $20 a month for ChatGPT out of pure habit when Claude could write a much better proposal for you? Or when Gemini could organize your entire digital life for free? Evaluate your workflow, drop your champion in the comments below, and I'll catch you next time for our next explainer.